Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to discuss the coronavirus and actually overall cleanliness in a salon. So most of you watching this have been to a salon or a barbershop, and I just want to point a couple of things out you just want to be conscious of. So we have these little jars on our stations. It's called Barbicide. One thing you stylists should be doing is putting your combs and tools into the Barbicide after every client. If you're a client in the salon and they're taking their comb they used on the person before you and going to use that on you, just ask them to put it in the Barbicide. This stuff can kill HIV, coronavirus, the flu, any kind of virus or bacteria really. It's pretty much could kill anything on the planet. For you people who go to barbers out there, this is called Clippercide. So make sure your barber is spraying the clippers in between you and the person before you. That's another really good way to keep the spread of any kind of bacteria or virus or ailment or skin disease from one person to another. And for you clients out there, if you are not feeling well or you feel sick, don't come to the salon. I know it sucks. You have gray hair and you want to get your color done. Listen, I hate when people cancel on my book too, but if you're sick, you're going to maybe get us sick, and then we're going to be in contact with 4 or 5 or 6 other people, and we're going to get them sick. We're going to get their family sick, and it's going to suck for everybody. So if you're not feeling well, push off your appointment and make sure you're conscious of what tools your stylist is using on you. Make sure they're taking the proper steps to clean all those tools before they use them on you. All right, any questions or comments, please feel free to leave it in the comment box below, and I will see you guys next time. All right, be safe and be healthy.